Hi, this is James. Now, I am excited to let you know that there is a new tool that's being launched on 23rd November 2021 at 11 a.m. Eastern, which is going to help you resurrect all your old videos and put some zest into them. And therefore, that is going to improve the engagement of those who watch your videos and boost your business as well. I got a demo coming up and a review of this new tool known as VidPrime. Check out the link below and discover the bonuses that you shall receive when you pick up VidPrime through my link. Subscribe, click the bell icon, and select all notifications so that all future videos like these that are going to present tips, tricks, and techniques on how to boost your business, you will receive them. So now let's head on over and have a look at the demo and the review of VidPrime. All right, guys, now that we are done with the demo, let's have a look at the sales page and try to find out what are the other benefits that you get by using VidPrime. So VidPrime boosts your video engagement by 5x, and therefore you get better conversions and sales. So with VidPrime, you, of course, we have seen, can turn boring videos into interactive videos. And that grabs the attention and keeps your customers or visitors or viewers of your videos engaged. And by adding the appropriate call to actions or quizzes or anything else, it compels your viewers to take action, whatever that action is. So quizzes and polls in your videos boost engagement and conversions, and you can embed and share these anywhere. And you can even schedule to share them later as well. You can also use VidPrime to curate hot trending videos. And you need to only grab these from YouTube. You can add one-click file downloads inside your videos. Okay, now with VidPrime, it solves two major issues. One is that creating interactive videos, if you were to outsource this, is going to cost you a ton of money. If you were to do it yourself, it is going to be very complicated. So with a tool like VidPrime, everything is kind of automated. And therefore, you save a ton of time as well. And note too that VidPrime is 100% cloud-based, so there is no need to install on your device, whether it's Windows or Mac, it doesn't matter. Now, VidPrime comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. For whatever reason, in this 30 days, if you are not satisfied, then just request for your money back. All right, guys, so here are the bonuses that the vendor is giving away during the launch period. Bonus number 1 is website activator and deactivator. Bonus number 2 is image manipulation software. Bonus number 3 is WhatsApp bulk sender and scheduler. Bonus number 4 is eBay affiliate software. Bonus number 5 is URL rotator software. Bonus number 6 is article counter. Bonus number 7 is video editor software for websites. And bonus number 8 is viral news video magazine. All right, guys, so let's have a look at the front end as well as the OTOs. Now, the front end of VidPrime, you can create 20 interactive videos and a bunch of other stuff as well. And this goes for $14 to $17. Now, there is an early bird price or discount code which you can use, which is VidPrime VIP, where you get a $3 discount. Now, OTO 1 is VidPrime Pro, where you can create or you get all of these features that are listed here, and that goes for $39. OTO 2 is VidPrime Advanced, also going for $39, and you get all of these features here. OTO 3 is VidPrime Done For You, and that goes for $97. And finally, OTO 4 is the VidPrime Agency license, which is being sold between $47 to $127. I hope that quick walkthrough of VidPrime has shown you how you can use the power of VidPrime to resurrect and liven up all your old videos and make them interactive and boost the engagement of those who watch your videos. Subscribe, click the bell icon and select all notifications. Once again, check out the link below to discover the bonuses that you shall receive when you pick up VidPrime through my link. And I wish you great success when you use VidPrime with all your videos.